Welcome back to our daily vlog series throughout the month of December. We're Mike and Taylor, and today is our final day of repairs on the RV. It's also the day that we're selling it, but we did not realize that at the time. I had put in my calendar that the buyers for the RV were coming on the 20th. I told everyone I knew they're coming on the 20th. And when I said everyone, I mean everyone. My parents, my calendar, everything had the 20th. So we spent the morning taking a nice, easy morning looking through some old childhood photos, which I realized I've always had an obsession with Halloween my whole life. And then I got this text while I was sipping on my morning coffee. We went from thinking we had a whole day to work on the RV and would be handing it off tomorrow to having an hour and a half.
Okay, I had the dates wrong of when the RV person is coming. It's a day sooner and we still have paint drying, so this is gonna be a mad rush to get everything finished.
In that mad rush, I did not film anything we did, but we touched up paint, we cleaned everything out, and here is the final walkthrough for the RV. My dad is helping secure our seat covers one last time, and it was definitely a family effort to get it ready. Honestly, I am so proud with how everything turned out. After a year of being stored on the ranch, we were able to fully repair everything, clean her up, and have her ready to go for the next owners.
Bye, Creampuff. We'll miss you. Putting the carpets in now. We'll miss Creampuff, but we're very excited for the next chapter. And this is a real sign Portugal is long-term for us.
I am so grateful for the help that we got fixing Creampuff and getting her ready for the new owners. It's a bittersweet moment, but mostly very sweet.
She lives!
While my dad and stepmom head out ranching for the day, we head to town to meet the new owners.
Okay, this is my last time driving Creampuff, and I just wanted to document this because we have spent 3 glorious years in her, exploring the western half of the United States, all the way down to Mexico, many trips to Colorado, Washington, Oregon, Nevada, Arizona, Utah. It's just California. She has withstood the test of time. I could not be more grateful for her. She listened every time I said, come on, chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. It's just been a remarkable journey. I know that the new buyers are going to treat her well and she's going to a good home. I want to thank my in-laws, Kevin and Debbie, and my wife especially the most, for all their hard work and support in getting Creampuff ready to ship off to her new destination. I can't believe we did it. I can't believe we did it, and we thought we had an extra day and we didn't. That's even funnier. That's a story for another time. But she's driving great. Makes me want to just keep on trucking and go camping again really bad. But this is for sure the right move, and living in Portugal was the best decision we ever made. So we're happy to see Creampuff go to her next adventurers, and may she treat them just as well as she treated us. So thank you, Creampuff.
I hope your life leads you back to my front door. Oh, but if it don't, stay beautiful. Oh, 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 oh. Stay beautiful. Throwback for the throwback. Before we give it up to the new buyer. Ah! Bye, Creampuff. Not us. Bye, Creamy.
Oh, it's crazy.
See that tear in your eye?
Wow. I want to be sadder but I'm very proud.
I am too. I'm proud.
Like,
it's like
this
your
must
child.
be what a parent feels like when your kid goes to college or
It's
something.
like, oh, on to the next.
It's like, oh, you know what? We did our best. We did everything we could do as parents, and now it's up to her.
I agree. Another day, another pothole. Little babies.
Our last day in Texas had to be spent on the ranch as well, so let's go feed the animals.
All that's left of Creamy. Our last day of Creamy, and our last day. No, you get squished, Dad. Last day of Creamy, and our last day on the ranch. Now, we're taking the backup vehicle because the wheels fell off on the Polaris twice. Man, every day it's something. Call this the Pope Mobile because it's covered. You don't get any dust in here. We shoved my dad in the back. Hold on, Dad! So this is enclosed on all sides.
I've always wanted to be in the Pope Mobile.
Yeah, the Pope Mobile is usually just for my grandma and stepmom, but today we're treating ourselves.
When you're desperate.
Except for my dad, he's still stuck in the back. Oh my God.
Wait, how do we get around it?
Here's the broken. Oh my God. And this is why we're taking the Pope Mobile.
Can't believe it.
It feels like you're going so slowly because the wind isn't in your face.
Well, I don't want
Oh,
to.
you're going 20.
I don't want to do anything to risk your dad. Hello.
Hi, puppies. What? Ibex. Oh, you are beautiful. What's up, brah?
Tay doing it.
Bob wire. Watch the bob wire. All right, get it all in there.
Success.
But most of them. Ooh, good.
Just like your disc golf.
There you go.
Reload.
Now, some on that over there in the corner. Careful. Oh, yeah. That'll work.
Hey, that's good.
I got to hold one of the baby goats for my final day on the ranch, and this was truly a perfect sunset day of feeding animals and saying goodbye to Rocky and Angel.
Tay, your dad.
Yeah, let's go eat. Hi, kitties.
Hello? Are you going to change things?
Yes.
One of those cats even has 6 toes. And now we're off to celebrate at the Hitchin Post. The Hitchin Post is the only bar in Ozona, Texas, and you actually have to be a member to get served alcohol. So what's really unique about many areas in the United States is they still have dry counties or dry cities. These are places that do not serve any alcohol, meaning you can't buy alcohol, drink alcohol, nothing. Now, Ozona, Texas does have alcohol in the grocery stores, so we didn't have to deal with it too long. How cute is this little Santa and reindeer cheersing their pint in front of the restaurant? The Hitchin Post has a lot of history, but it's most known for their chicken fried steak, which is very much an American meal. It's a thinly sliced piece of steak, fried like chicken, and comes with gravy usually. My dad got the chicken fried pork loin sandwich, which is his favorite thing at the Hitchin Post. So if you go, highly recommend that as their special. Thank you for watching, and come back tomorrow as we actually leave Texas. I am planning on doing a full van life recap, talking about whether or not you should do van life now that this chapter of our lives is officially complete. But for now, we're going to continue our daily vlog series. So come back tomorrow as we head to Arizona. In the meantime, enjoy this video of Mike not knowing how to handle a cat because he's never had one, and Simon snuggling on him. No offense to my family, but I think I'm going to miss Simon the most because I don't know when we'll see him again.